Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Jeep Renegade. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, as this helps the oil drain more easily. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin. Now, let's drain the old oil. Safely raise your Jeep Renegade or use ramps. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Locate the old oil filter, often near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to remove it. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Reinstall the drain plug firmly. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. Locate your oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine, and pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then turn it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.